Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best sand and water toys are probably one of the most versatile and engaging playthings for children, offering endless opportunities for creative exploration and sensory development during warm weather. These toys transform ordinary backyards, beaches, or playrooms into vibrant landscapes where imagination can run wild, fostering crucial motor skills and problem-solving abilities as kids dig, pour, build, and splash. They provide a fantastic way for children to connect with nature and each other, making them an essential addition to any child's summer fun arsenal, promising hours of delightful activity and cherished memories. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Sunny Patch Seaside Sidekick Sand Baking Set. Get ready for some seaside fun with this adorable sand baking set. It's inspired by cute sea creatures, making playtime even more imaginative. This set comes with everything you need for sandy creations. You'll find shell-shaped measuring cups, a fun octopus whisk, and a crab mixing spoon. The mixing bowl features a turtle lid that cleverly doubles as a sifter. It adds an exciting twist to traditional sand toys, bringing a mixing, sifting, and baking theme to life. Part of our Sunny Patch collection, this toy is designed to encourage exploration and outdoor play. Let their imaginations run wild in the sand. It makes a wonderful gift for children aged 3 to 10. Give the gift of hands-on, screen-free play that sparks creativity and joy. What we like. This set offers a delightful twist on traditional sand play with its sea creature-inspired baking theme. It includes unique tools like an octopus whisk and a shell-shaped measuring cup, plus a turtle lid that doubles as a sifter. If you're looking for a toy that sparks imaginative roleplay and introduces early concepts of mixing and sifting, this is a fantastic choice for young chefs. What people say. The sand and water table has a multi-level design that allows for various play options, including a water wheel and channels for water flow. It comes with a variety of accessories like buckets, shovels, and molds, encouraging imaginative play and sandcastle building. The table is sturdy and made of durable plastic, ensuring it can withstand outdoor play and last for a long time. Number 4. MarcZero 11 PCS Silicone Beach Toys. Introducing a modern beach toy set, perfect for fun at the beach, pool, or even during bath time. Made from safe, reusable silicone, it's a great alternative to traditional plastic toys. Packing for a day of fun is easy with the set. Its soft, flexible silicone construction means you can pack everything neatly into the bucket and your suitcase without worry. This set includes all the beach essentials to keep your children entertained for hours. They can create fun shapes in the sand with the included molds, and it's easy to clean for bath time too. Designed with a premium soft feel and matte finish, this set looks stylish and is comfortable for little hands to hold. It offers a modern aesthetic for your child's playtime. This comprehensive set includes a bucket, shovel, 8 fun sand molds in various shapes, and a convenient tote bag. Everything you need for a fantastic beach day is right here. Crafted from 100% BPA-free silicone, these toys are safe for your children and endlessly reusable. Enjoy peace of mind knowing they are durable and built for endless summer fun. What we like. This set is made from soft, flexible, and BPA-free silicone, making it incredibly travel-friendly as it can be easily stuffed into suitcases without cracking. Its modern matte finish and ergonomic design are easy for little hands to hold. If you prioritize portability, durability, and a stylish aesthetic for your beach or bath toys, this is the perfect option for hassle-free fun on the go. What people say. The sand and water table has a built-in umbrella that provides shade for the kids. It comes with various accessories like buckets, shovels, and molds for sandcastle building. The table is sturdy and made of durable plastic, suitable for outdoor play. Number 3. TOY Life 41 PCS Beach Toys for Kids. Get ready for hours of entertainment with this amazing 41-piece beach toy set. It's packed with everything your child needs for imaginative play by the sea or in the sandbox. Crafted from non-toxic, high-quality materials, these toys are built to last and are completely safe for your little ones. We've ensured there are no small, detachable parts to worry about. This set features a clever collapsible bucket made of soft silicone. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making beach trips a breeze. Plus, it's versatile enough for daily use like watering plants. Don't let the season stop the fun. These toys are perfect for building sandcastles in the summer and snowcastles in the winter. We are committed to providing safe, educational, and most importantly, fun toys. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so please reach out if you have any questions. What we like. This is a massive 41-piece set that includes a unique collapsible silicone bucket, making it incredibly portable and versatile for any trip. It's not just for summer, these toys can also be used for building snow castles in the winter. If you want an extensive collection of sand toys that offers great value, can be used year-round, and is easy to pack, this comprehensive set is ideal for endless outdoor adventures. What people say. The sand and water table is a great size for multiple children to play at once. It comes with a variety of accessories, including buckets, shovels, and molds, which adds to the fun. The table is sturdy and well-made, designed to withstand outdoor play. Number 2. MarcZero 17 PCS Silicone Beach Toy Set. Introducing a modern beach toy set perfect for your little ones. It's ideal for the beach, pool, or even bath time, offering endless fun. Made from BPA-free silicone, these toys are a safe and reusable alternative to traditional plastic. They are designed for worry-free play. This set is incredibly travel-friendly. The soft, flexible silicone makes packing a breeze, fitting easily into suitcases or your car. Keep your children entertained for hours with all the beach essentials included. They can create fun shapes in the sand or use them during bath time. Featuring a premium soft feel and matte finish, this set looks stylish. Its design is also easy for little hands to grip and play with. This comprehensive set includes a bucket, watering can, shovel, spoon, sand molds, and fun 3D ice cream and cupcake shapes. It also comes with a convenient beach bag for easy transport. What we like. This set stands out by including a watering can, adding an extra element of interactive play beyond just molding sand. Like its counterpart, it's made from soft, flexible, BPA-free silicone with a stylish matte finish, perfect for little hands. If you're looking for a versatile silicone set that encourages more dynamic play, including water-based activities, and offers a chic look, this is a great choice for toddlers. What people say. The sand and water table is made of durable, non-toxic plastic that is safe for children. It features multiple levels and compartments for sand and water, encouraging imaginative play. The table includes various accessories like buckets, shovels, and molds, enhancing the play experience. Number 1. Click and Play 18 PC Beach Toy Set. Get ready for endless beach adventures with this vibrant 18-piece toy set. Perfect for creative play, it's designed for kids aged 3 to 10. Crafted with your child's safety in mind, these toys are made from non-toxic, BPA-free plastic. They are built to last through countless hours of play. This comprehensive set includes sand buckets, shovels, rakes, a watering can, and fun molds for creating amazing sandcastles. It all comes with a handy mesh bag for easy transport. With a variety of shapes like seahorses, turtles, and castles, these toys encourage imaginative and creative building. Let their creativity run wild. Looking for a fantastic gift? This set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's sure to bring smiles and hours of entertainment. What we like. This 18-piece set comes with a bucket that includes a built-in sifter, adding an extra layer of fun and creativity to sandcastle building. It also features a good variety of molds, including fun shapes like a seahorse and a boat. If you're looking for a classic, engaging beach toy set with essential tools and a good mix of molds for creative sand play, this is a solid and fun option for kids aged 3 to 10. What people say. The sand and water table has a lot of fun features like a water wheel and a spinning Ferris wheel. It's a great size for multiple kids to play with at once, and the accessories it comes with are a nice bonus. The table is sturdy and well-made, and the colors are bright and attractive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.